Hey guys, on today's episode we're going to be doing a behind the scenes look of what it's like to be a foodie Instagrammer. Today we're going to be following my sister Ashley as she drives around LA and attends 4 different tastings. I will admit right now that I did not stay 100% keto on this trip, and I know that can be triggering for people, so please be warned. But I did try it. I did want to stay keto, but free food and amazing food, it's kind of hard, okay? If you want to see why it was so hard, then keep on watching. So the first place I wanted to stop by was this place that my sister told me about that had cheese shell tacos. So I had to go try it out, and I mean, it was exactly what it was, cheese shell tacos. They were really greasy, but it was pretty cool to see that they had this option on the menu in a restaurant in LA. And they were actually good. Alright, so we needed to kill time until the next place. So what my sister did was she checked out this app that she has. It's called Off the Menu, and what it does, it's a membership that you pay $20 a month for, and it gives you access to like 30 free meals all over LA, which for a foodie blogger that needs a lot of content, this is like perfect for you guys. So the only thing that actually looked pretty appealing that was nearby was this Dalai Lama place, which is a waffle and ice cream place. As you can see, it's definitely not keto friendly. They're, I guess, known for their waffles and their bubble waffles and their ice cream. I watched my sister as she got footage from behind the scenes so that she can use it for her TikTok video. I really liked the environment. It was like pretty cool. It looked really hip and nice. It was like 2 stories. There was a lot of carbs. I've had it before. I've never really liked them. I had it once in Seattle and it was just pretty dry to me. So I did taste the vanilla ice cream and I had a piece of it, but it was overall just way too sweet, not like super flavorful where it's like, oh, this is worth the carbs. But it was pretty cool. So next up, we're gonna meet up with other foodie Instagrammers at a restaurant called Hollywood Burger. I was in luck because at this location they actually happen to serve gluten-free lettuce wraps, which is perfect, so I don't have to really worry about what I'm gonna eat. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a burger. It's gonna be just a burger with lettuce. Burgers had a secret sauce, and from that I actually asked Taff what the secret sauce is made out of, and it's actually made out of sugar or has sugar in it, so if you ever do go, don't get it. So one of the things that I did find impressive about following these like foodie Instagrammers, it was just so interesting to me to see how their minds worked and how they had to like within minutes figure out how they were going to position the food or how they were going to get the right shot, and they had to do this all while trying to find the perfect lighting, making sure people were in the shot. They also had to help each other out with holding the food, and then on top of that, then they had to each take turns taking the photos and just making sure that you actually found the right shot that actually captured the essence of the food. So the last one, my sister hyped up so much throughout the day. She told me, she's like, don't eat a lot anywhere, because she wanted me to have enough space to eat at this place, because she's like, this place is so freaking good. And I'm like, I'll be fine, I can eat it all. And then when we got there, I was already like, oh my god, how am I gonna freaking eat? Like, I'm so freaking full. But this place was pretty cool. I thought I was gonna have luck by getting something that's keto friendly here. Because I mean, it is cauliflower, it is chicken, but it's fried, and I'm pretty sure whatever it's like marinated in is like a sweet type of sauce. So I mean, I still ate it because like I'm gonna eat it because my sister hyped it up so much and it has to be freaking good. It was pretty good. I actually really liked it. So what I was seeing was that when it comes to food photography, like lighting is everything, and so once it turns dark, it's so hard to get that perfect shot. I'm surprised like how, like at what length like they had to go to get like a really good shot with all the food, with it being so late and everything. It seemed like in the end they got like a really good shot. Like I was kind of like, oh wow, so this is how much work goes into getting that perfect shot. It was so amazing. Like I just wish I wasn't full, because I would have smashed for sure. So that was my foodie adventures with my sister. I will link down below the name of each restaurant, their Instagram handle, the Instagram handle of each of the Instagrammers. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you would please like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you like to see anything about just keto and keto food specifically, because that's like one of the things I just love posting about or like filming. And I have like an upcoming chocolate chip video that's gonna come out in a few weeks, so if you want to see that, or make sure to pat that subscribe button so that you can be notified when that video comes out. And I try to breathe, call you 7:22 a.m. Love the tone of your voice.